Started. Share. Okay. So in this session, we are going to talk about creating sign up page. Guys, mute yourself. Your voice is echoing to me. When you need to speak, please unmute and then speak. Can you mute yourself? People, mute yourself. And somebody can come with me who is online. Just mute it, please. Everybody is muted. Sajna, can you unmute, please?
Yes.
Okay, you should think like this. My name is easy, that's why people are calling to me always. Is it not?
I guess.
Okay. Sajna, let me tell you what my intention is. Yesterday we created this login page. Let me run it. And this login page, I'm running it very quickly, of course, to see how your login page looks like. I'm running it and you know it, right? It's not a big deal. So if I enter, this username password, wrong. If I enter Jack and Jill, right? So Jack and Jill is correct username password. Is coming. Ajna, is clear to you? Yeah.
Yes.
Today, my plan is to making another design that is signup.jsp. Can you help me with that? How to make JSP file? Right click on it, JSP file, and here you can type signup.jsp. Make sense? Yep. So you see my speed? What I did? Whole code I copy paste from there as it is, and then I can modify it. Signup.jsp. So here you can write sign up. When sign up, when user is sign up, what input you can take it. First of all, I'm just changing the name of the servlet. What it should be? Sign up. Make sense? Servlet is the servlet which you will create sign up. And username, password. I don't want to take only this much. I want to take other field as well. Like I can take email, type text, or type email. Sajna, in HTML, type email, so it will take email format. So let's see after doing this much how it looks like. What you need to do here, you have to type name of the JSP file, which is signup.jsp. You see, sign up page, username, password, email. You can take other field if you want, like mobile. Mobile is number. So you can here in type you can take this in HTML5 features, and here you can type mobile. Then and you can take one more field that is called salutation. Make sense? And see, salutation is a drop down. You know, drop down, which can give you the choice. So in order to create drop down, you can use select object, right? And you can give the name to the drop down. That is salutation. Are you following me?
Yes.
You can use the CSS in order to make it fancy. And in select you can give option means what option you want to give, right? So I want to give the option like Mr. and Miss, two options. Mhm. Yeah, by default it should be blank, right? Or I can say select. Mhm. Let's see how it looks like after doing this much. Cool, can you see this? Mhm.
Yes.
Yep. So username, password, email, mobile, salutation. This is my sign up page. And this should be not login, it should be sign up. Sign up. Mhm. So what you need to do, my dear friends, when people register, after that, you know, you have to go to the next page. Or you can, after doing this much, you can go to the sign up page. And whatever data you can store in a global variable, right? We don't have database, right, people? Hey, what my intention is, we have to do some coding, right? Can you help me? See, when you submit your form, I'm going to read all the data and I'm going to store in a global variable. Mahesh, are you following me? Global variable. Why? If I store my data in the global
Yes.
variable, after storing data in the global variable, I will come back to the login page. Do you understand the flow of the program or no? Where you will come back?
Yes.
Login page, right? So click on that, store data in the global variable and come to the login page. That's my intention. Can you do that much? Yeah. How? Sir, whatever data you have, in order to hold it, I'm going to create another servlet. You see my style of creating servlet? Control C,
Yes.
Control V. Very quick. And sign up dot servlet. In that, what you need to do is in sign up, you have to read more fields, right? What other fields are?
Right.
Email, mobile number, salutation, email,
Mobile
mobile,
number.
and
Number.
salutation. Spelling is important. You cannot do mistake. Email you can put over here. Mobile number you can put over here. Salutation. I'm able to read all the values, right? And I'm creating a normal class that is called Pojo, plain old Java object. That is sign up DTO. DTO stand for data transfer object. This is
Okay.
this is normal class, right? And in this class, I will hold my all the data. So accordingly, you have to make the attributes in this, right? So this is username. First time you are seeing like this, right? Uh, now you see the use, right? What you have learned earlier, right? Password. Hmm. Next, email, then mobile. Your coding starts now. You may be crying, give me the assignment. Now starts. And salutation, I guess. Done. Hmm? So this is my Pojo. You know Pojo? Pojo means normal class, right? The class which does not extend any special class is called Pojo, and Pojo stand for plain old Java object. Plain old Java object. It's clear to everyone?
Yes.
And after that, what you can do, you can make getter and setter of it. Do you know how to make getter and setter? Right click on it, go to the source and generate getter and setter, and click on select all, generate. Oh, nice. If you want to create toString method, right click on it, go to the source in the same way, click on the toString, it's generated. If you want to do code formatting, right, Control A, Control Shift F, everything is well formatted. And this is my normal class. I want to keep into different package, and package name you can give like, you can write Vio, right? Vio, or you can write model, whatever you want to do, please do it. Okay. Making a package is a cup of tea. Change it and put your mouse on it. It will give you some suggestion. Click on it. See, I'm able to move into other package, right? Sir, in servlet, what I want to do, I want to create an object of model. No, sorry. Sign up. Why is not coming? How dare he? Sign up. All right. Sign up. Did you? It's coming now. Oh, Mister, I want to hold my all the data into it after reading it. How you can set it? If you allow to me, can I write a parameterized constructor? I hope you have done core
Yes.
Java. This some trainer. Hmm? So you can make a parameterized constructor. And when you make a parameterized constructor, you should create a no argument constructor also. Hey, you know core Java. Somebody taught you core Java already, right? You cannot say no, right? You know. So basically my purpose is if I make a constructor, I can set all the values on the fly, right, in one line. First parameter is username, second parameter is password, third parameter is email, fourth parameter is mobile, and last parameter is salutation. Confused? So this servlet is reading all the value from the incoming form data and populating into one of the DTO. DTO means data transfer object. You'll understand more about it once you go with the projects and all. So I'm I need to store this data, right? And after that, I need to go to the which page? Login page. Mahesh. So we have to write this line, okay? Tell me. This code will navigate you from this outlet to login page. And here you can customize the message. What message you can write over here? Thank you for sign up. Thank you for
For sign up.
sign up with us. Yeah,
Why?
yeah. Message doesn't matter. Okay. A, you understand this much? After doing sign up, what we are going to do with this object, right? This object I want to set in a global variable. Later we can save in database, right? Ideally it should go in database, right? But we don't have database. So where I want to store it, I would uh, I would like to create a list or set, right? If I create a set, I have to add equals and hash code. But I am in hurry. Okay, I'm going to. I don't know what I should do. Can I use a map key value pair? Yeah, let's do the map key value pair where username will make unique. Okay, so I'm just making a util class, util class, and this is called data. You can give any name to it, doesn't matter. Data store utils. Okay, and you can make it in utils package. Which package? Util. Hmm. And what is the purpose of this class? This class can hold my data. I'm just creating a map. Already we have done this, right? Map data structure, and key will be string and value will be your sign up DTO. Basically, it is going to hold an object. It's not coming. That's okay. Data equals to new hash map because I just want to store the data, right? As per the Java 7, you can omit this. This is called references, and you can import map util, and you can import sign up DTO. You see my style. Done. So you can just add a method. What method, sir? Public mass void add add data. When you add data, you have to pass two things: string, username, and this DTO. Your core Java starts, okay? And what you do? You would say, hey data, I want to store my whole DTO, this object, as a value against which key? Username. Got it or I got confused? Hmm? Nobody replying.
Got it. Got it.
Then you can write a method public which can give you the sign up DTO object. You would say get data, and in this you have to just pass the key. Key is username. You would say hey data which is mapped with the username, please return to me. So here you can write a method return, and you would say hey data, there is a method in the map get. When you pass the key, it will return you the sign up DTO because this value is sign up DTO. Okay, so public spelling mistake, right? Let's correct it and done. Anybody have any? This is going to store my all the data, right? What man? This is the author name Technohunk, and it is going to store my all the data. See, I want everything should be created when my class is loaded. So can I make it static? Why, sir? Because I want my data should be loaded. When it should be loaded? When you load the class, right? When you load the class, then it is loaded. and I want to make method static. Mahesh, you know the reason why I'm making everything static? Because I don't want to make the object to operate it. I want it should work with the class. Make sense? So why we make static variable? Static data you can access across whole application anywhere, right? Use this class and store the data and access it. Mahesh, is clear? Hello.
Yes.
Now I want to check my username and password. My username exists, right? I want to do that. So what I need to do? Public and boolean. Mahesh, what I would say is user exist. Hmm. What you pass? You are passing a username, right? You want to check if user exists. What you need to do? Like you go and just find the data, right? Username. If username is coming null, right? Means when you say data.get and key, if it is coming null, means user does not exist, right? So you have to return the boolean value. You see my style of coding. I don't know you got confused or not. So what it will return, man? If it is null, it will return true, right? So you have to just write the opposite condition. If not null means true, otherwise false. So this is going to return what, man? If you are searching this data, hey username, do you have mapping in the map against this key? Answer is not null means yes, right? Yes. So this is going to return what? Any guess? It will return true when return true when mapping exists. Hmm? Else false. I don't know you got this much or not. Hello, people.
Yes.
Okay, one people just say yes. Okay, other people are not replying means they are getting it. So what you need to do next? Next is when you are doing sign up, you can store this data, Mahesh. How? Using add data. So what you are going to do is a value. You are storing a whole object, sign up object, and you are mapping to the key. That's it. My data is present here. My job is done. You got it? Yep. Yep.
Yes.
Okay. So let's do the sign up. After that, my data would be stored. Okay. And next thing is you want to write a servlet and you want to show all this data, right? What your data sign up is done, you want to show it, right? So after the sign up, right, I want to associate, I want to validate this data when user is login. Oh, nice. So basically, I need to do sign up. After that, I can log in into it. Make sense? So when you log in into it,
Yes.
it's important. Now you have user. No need to do Jack and Jill. No, no, no. What you can do? You just match only username, right? Password, we can do it later. So what I want to match? I would say, hey data for util. Hmm, is you are not replying. You can go to this and use static method. Mass. You would say, hey, this username is there in your pocket. Hello. Or you want to change? If you want to check both, that's fine. Mass. What I'm checking? If this username is there, right? So what you can do? Sir, if username exists, then from this you can fetch whole data, right? How? Dot get method. Remember? Hmm. Now you have
Yeah.
what data, man? Sign up DTO. Make sense? Whole data you have. So here you can validate your password as well, right? Username is validated. How you can validate the password? Password is coming here. Nice. You can say equal ignore case and password is present in this. So fetch the password from the DTO, man. I just changed my style. So now I'm going to match password also. You got it? I totally got confused. Hey, sign up DTO, right? Already I checked the username. It is there. So I fetch the username from this utility method. I don't know you're following me or not. Actually, we have a map, right? So I'm just fetching it and matching the password, right? If password is matched, right, then only you have to go to the home. Otherwise, where you can go? Hello. Otherwise, you have to go to the login page by stating this. So see, this code is duplicate. Yes or no? You are doing, if user is not
Yes.
there, then you are doing, if user is there and password is wrong, again you are doing the same thing. So we have to see how you can avoid this duplicate code. Okay, for that you can use a boolean variable. Boolean what? Auth. By default it is false. Are you following me?
Yes.
So what you can do, if authentication is correct, so here authentication is correct, so it's, you just make it true, right? Authentication is right. And in else condition, what you can do? False. False means eh, as long as flag is true, means username is correct and you are forwarding to this. Else you just make it false. Make sense? And delete it.
Yeah.
In last, what you can do here? Hmm, just second. Like here, this code should execute when your authentication is false, right? It is just my style of just otherwise, don't apply the brain for now. Tomorrow we can make it. You just copy paste, okay? Code duplicate is fine. That's fine. Let's make it simple. So, my dear friends, now what happened? You can sign up. Hmm? After sign up, you can log in with username password. How things are happening? Because when you are doing sign up, you are storing your data key value pair, right? In this data store utility class. And when you are authenticating it, you are checking username is there or not. Make sense? So data store utils is acting as a database. Hmm? In memory database, you can say. Hey guys, can I run it? Sign up. Start with the sign up where JSP is. Hey sir, you know what is the benefit? We are
Yes,
using.
sir.
Oh, very nice. Your voice is more louder than my voice. That's great. Okay, that's great. That's great. I like it. It's not working. My bad luck. Can you see this copy paste? The servlet name,
Yeah.
right? It's saying two servlet, auth servlet and sign up servlet, both are mapped to same URL pattern. How dare you? My dear, because I copy paste, I'm sorry about it. What do you have to write here? Sign up. Clear? Two servlet cannot have same name. If it is, your application won't be up. Please, you should have dared to read the error. First of all, I'm running my sign up page. You should have dared to read your error. That practice you have to do. Sign up. Hey, please remember, my username is technohunk100. Password paste at the rate 123. Email ID, okay, and mobile and Mr. Hmm? So what you need to do, sir? You click on the sign up. Password is paste at that 123. So my data is stored where? In data store, and you can enter the same username and password, right? People, and it will go and validate with the data store. Can you see this? If you enter the
Yeah.
wrong username and password, then it would say error. Oh, nice. Hard coding is disappeared because in sign up solid we are processing all the data from the memory, right? You got it or not? Yep.
Yes.
Now my plan is I have to show all the sign up data. I can make a on login page. I know it's fast. I'm just making one more button. What button, man? One more button, and button is called data. Basically, whatever sign up data is there, you want to show it. Mahesh, is clear to you? My intention here, you want when
Yeah.
you click it, you can change the color. Color you can make it warning. Okay, so you change color is change. What do you want to do, sir? Whatever data is there, you when you click on the data, it should display here, right, in tabular format. Allow me. So when you click on the data, are you following me? You want to call a servlet on the button click. You can use a hyperlink. What is a hyperlink? Hyperlink is a link. When you click on the button, you want to call a servlet. In href, one of the attribute of anchor tag, you can give the name of the servlet. And servlet name is uh, uh, data, right? Or you can write show data. It's clear or you got
Okay.
confused? Show data. Show data is
Clear.
the name of the servlet. When you click on it, you see, refresh it and click on it. Can you see this? Uh, oh, why is not switching? How dare you? Give me a sec. No. Here you have to actually, because of reset, right? Button type should be button. Why I'm writing button here and submit over here? Because this is when you click on this button, this form will be submitted
Mhm.
on this action. But here I'm making type button because I don't want to submit the form. You got it? Why I'm writing type equals to button? Because I don't want to submit my form. When you click on it, I want this action should be triggered. Are you following me? So see here, we have
Yes.
submit button because I want to make action against this form. Reset means you want to clear your form. And button means you don't want to do anything. When somebody click on it, you want to make action to the href. So after refreshing it, right, you come to the login page. hmm, Login page, and you click on it, right? It's saying your servlet is not ready, right? Can you make it? Yeah, I'm going to make a servlet, and servlet name is hello class. And what you can do, what you can write here? Show
So data.
data servlet. You can give any name, okay? Oh, and here, what solid mapping we are going to give? This one, web solid.
So data. So data.
Done. And you want to make a servlet, and you know I'm very lazy, right? I cannot write this much code. Mhm. So what you can do? That's fine. Somebody saying, can you write it at least one HTTP servlet and do get. Actually, you have. I'm just using get because I have to show the data. After it, I need to go to my JSP. My JSP name is. You can make it right. How? Get request dispatcher. You can mention the JSP name. JSP name is data.jsp. Please mute yourself. Forward request underscores. So this solid is doing. This solid is not doing anything. Please mute yourself. This servlet is not doing anything. When you call this servlet, it is just forwarding your request to the JSP. This servlet is not doing anything. Hmm? This servlet is not doing anything. It is just forwarding your request to the data.jsp file. Hmm? Anybody have any question query? No. If I run
No,
my
sir.
program, what should happen? It's saying show.jsp. It should show now data.jsp is not no more there after compilation. Let's see on the data, right? Can you see this? It's showing this is wrong because I don't think it's running. Let's stop it and run it. People, step by step, right? I'm running login page. Mhm. You need to understand this technique, right? And all this thing, once you learn, you can learn anything. People may be teaching REST API, whatever, it doesn't matter. So can you see this now? It's okay now. My servlet is called and it's saying data.jsp is no more there. So can I make a JSP file, sir? Hmm? And JSP file name should be data.jsp. Speed, you want to see? Done. Copy paste. Hello friends. I'm going to copy
Yes, sir.
everything from the login page and assume a style. Everything I have copied.
Yeah, that's magic.
Magic. And just delete the login thing because I don't want it, right? Clang, clang. I delete everything. Just I, left the photo and here it should be your data store. Let's see how it looks like. Like here, if you refresh it, it is just going to show this much. Hmm? Hello, people. It's showing this much. If you
Yes,
don't like
sir.
this picture, you can go to the Techno Beach and whatever photo you want to take, right? I want to take this photo. Copy it. Copy the image address. You guys are expert. And this image address you can put over here. Oh, nice. You can then again. I know that much, Roy. No need to teach. Yeah, I know. You know everything. Done. Hmm? Cling, cling. Simple copy paste, right? And refresh it and see the magic. No magic. It's not working.
No magic.
But magic will happen. Hmm. It's not coming. Okay, let's check it, right? No, it may be, when it is hitting this URL, that may be slower because of it. But one day it will come for sure. I'm confident about it. Oh, man. Can you see this? I refreshed it couple of time and it came. Hello. So you understand the flow?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
When you click when you click on the login page here, data and it's coming. Here I have to show the table. In Bootstrap, you can make the table. Bootstrap, please do not talk. Hey, how to make table? Hey, Bootstrap, I'm very new to this. Please help me. Otherwise, people will kill me. Like here, we have table of this type. I'm interested in this table. Allow me. Try yourself, right? So I got the table code. Allow me. I can do that. People, I'm going to copy this much code. Thank you. Table in HTML table, there is a concept table which is used to show the data in the tabular format. Can you see this? Table class to make it beautiful. Then this is header, T head, and this tr is for one row. I don't know, no one. Tabular representation. This is called header, and this is a row. Tr is one row, and these are the column in that row. Th header column, right? And then we have t body where this is representing the table body data. In this again we have tr row and td for the data. So if I show you how it looks like, refresh it, please. How it's going to look like after this? Can you see this? Hello.
Yeah.
But here we have to
Yes,
show
sir.
not this. We have to show our data. Let's customize it. First one is username. Second one is password. And third one is mobile. The next one is salutation. Hmm. This is last salutation. And you can just make an, this is sign up data. Mhm. Oh, Mr. Let's see how it looks like. Hello. And 1, 2, 3. So you have to
Sir.
make 5 TD, and you delete other thing. Like your intention is not showing this hard coded value. What's your intention, sir? Not showing the hard coded value, right?
Right.
You have to show the data which is present into data store. Say yes. Whatever data is present in the data store, you want to show it. Okay. Like in order to show it, you need all the data, right? And this data you can access by one of the getter of it. Sir, you see my style? Public,
Yeah.
static. You can return whole data as a map. Why? Because what? Get data. No, I'm not looking. Uh, get store. Hmm? This method is doing what, man? It is returning whole data. Yes, not single. Hmm. Of this data, I can fetch it and show in my JSP. Allow me. I don't know you are following
Yeah.
me or not. Actually,
Yes, sir.
in JSP you can embed Java code. Wow, how? Using scriptlet tag. Which tag? Scriptlet. This is called scriptlet tag. Angular bracket, modulus operator, space, modulus operator, angular bracket, close. So what you can do in using this, you can embed Java code in JSP. Oh, if you want to fetch my data from this store, what I need to do? Core Java. That's why I'm saying core Java is important. You can say get stored. Can you see this? First of all, you'll import it, right? How? Type this and control space bar, and it is imported over here in JSP. And then you can use get stored. Can you see this? It will return what, man? It is going to return whole map, key value pair, right? Hmm. Hello, data. And you have to import this DTO and map as well. First of all, import map from util class, and then you can import DTO. Done. Hey guys, you got my point or not? Now you can use a for loop in order to render you all the data in the tr. So if you how you can use the for loop? You know for loop? Do you know how
Yes,
to
sir.
iterate the map? Yeah, you would say, sir, I know Java 8. Really? Yeah. In Java 8, in order to iterate the map, you can use data dot for each. Wow. And for each, what does? It takes consumer, right? Remember? Consumer. So you can use for each loop and see this for loop, you can put semicolon over here, right? Say yes. Yeah. And here you have to basically use consumer, that is called by consumer for the map. But I want to do in different way. Let me try. Sir, I am very confused how to iterate the map. Can you help me? Somebody saying, yeah, I'm helping you. There is one way to access. You just fetch all the keys, right? By using key set. Key set will return all the keys, right? In the map. And it is set. Oh man, I'm just fetching all the keys present in the map. What? All the keys. Mesh. All the keys I'm able to fetch it from set. Got it? Yeah. And using key,
Yes,
I can
sir.
fetch the values, all the values in the map. So you can use a for loop, the curly bracket open, and you are going to close this tr, right? Syntax is okay, right? For open and close. I'm telling you, you cannot mix Java code and HTML, like this. If you want to mix Java code and HTML together, use this operator and this operator. Now HTML comes, and you can also enclose Java code in this. You see my style? Whenever Java code is there, right? Use this open and close. This is called scriptlet tag. This is Java code and this is Java code. In between, you can have HTML, whatever you want, right? But this loop is going to operate on this HTML content. See the syntax? Java code, HTML code, again Java code in this. Now what you can do? You can use a key, right? For each loop to iterate all the keys. From key, what you can fetch? You can fetch the value from the data. Yes, dot hello get.
Yes,
So what
sir.
you will get in the hash map? You say, hey hash map, I have all the keys. For every keys, you just give me the data, sign up data. Done. Okay. After it, what you can do for every loop, right? In every iteration, I have data. I want to print, name over here. So you can use expression tag. You see expression tag? This sign modulus operator equal and modulus operator this this angular bracket, and here you can write, this is called expression tag. You can use object dot get username. Are you following me? So basically
Yes, sir.
expression tag is used to embed the value of the variable in between the HTML code. So second, what you can use, get password. Next, you can use get email. Next, you can use get mobile. Hmm? Next, you can use get salutation. What is it? Hmm. People, you got this? Is totally you got super duper confused. Hmm?
Confused. Oh,
Yeah, no
confused.
problem. Okay, okay. Let me tell you again.
Everything is okay.
No, no, that's fine. That's fine. I think it's all about first time we start the coding. Okay.
Right.
Eh, no problem. Let me tell you. Actually, I have my data in this store as a map. Can you see this? Key value pair. Key is username and value is the whole object, which contains username, password, salutation, email, mobile. Right. So what this line is doing, it's saying, hey, can you give me all the keys? Yep. So you get all the keys as a set, and then you are iterating one key, and for every key you are fetching the value. This is clear, Java code.
Yes,
Suppose we
sir.
have 10 key value pair. So in this you will get 10 keys. For every keys you are fetching the value. And Java code, this is up to Java code, and this is also Java code. In between we have tr represent one row, right? And td represent one column of the tr. Hello. So how you're fetching the value? In TD, you are embedding this object value using which tag? Expression tag. So this is which tag, man? Tell me. This is called reply, expression tag. Clear to you? It is used to embed. It is used to embed Java code. Sorry, it is used to embed Java variable inside HTML. Clear to you? And a scriptlet tag, using a scriptlet tag, you can write whole Java code. Okay? You are not replying. Why this is giving the error? This error is unnecessarily time because syntax is okay. You got this much, people? So here
Yes,
I am
sir.
embedding a username for this particular object. Here password. Go and just make your hand dirty, right? We are on track. So now
Okay.
because of this much, what happened? Whatever registration you will do, right? Over here and click on the data. Wow, it's working. It's not working, it's crying, syntax error. Let's fix it. What's saying? Method just not applicable for the argument. Okay, it may be because of this, and let's fix it. Like here, I'm just closing my page and opening it. If there is some temporary error, it would be gone. All the temporary error is gone. Okay. I'm going to, I don't know, there's some issue with this or what. Again, I'm trying. Refresh it. Same error is coming. Okay. Where? I think error may be because of this comment. Let me unable to compile class file in JSP. Oh, so I'm just removing this comment. Let's see, it is a culprit or something else. Can you see this? Culprit what that comment, okay, which I was writing it. Let me write a Java comment. Java comment double slash. So this is what expression tag. Hmm? And this is called, any guess? This tag which you are writing here like this is called, this is scriptlet tag. Scriptlet tag. People reply. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what you need to do? Whatever sign up you will do, right? All the no. Actually, problem is not allowing this. Why? Hmm. Actually, when I'm writing it, it's just okay. You can delete it because it's not allowing this. When I'm using this tag, all it's giving error. That's fine. What I need to do? Just go and do the sign up, my dear friends. For sign up, if you allow to me, can I make a link over here for sign up? Because I'm navigating here and there. So you can go to the login page. Please see my style of doing. Login, but I know it's a lot. So you see my style of doing coding. I want to just make a
Yes, sir.
hyperlink that is called sign up. Okay. And here you can give the link of your JSP file. Which JSP you want to open? Signup.jsp. Am I right? Hmm. So when you click on the sign up button, which JSP will be open? Help me. It is going to open signup.jsp. So basically on click of the button, I am calling JSP. Similarly, I can go to the sign up page. Allow me. If I am on sign up page and somebody wants to jump back to which page? Login.jsp page. Hmm? Are you following me? So he can click on login. Make sense? Basically nothing.
Yes,
It's just
sir.
I have created a couple of links. You click on sign up and you click on the login, you'll come jumping, right? Yep. Now click on the data, right? Data is not here. Now do the sign up. Mahesh, I'm going to do the couple of the sign up. Password is test, right? Email is mobile. Hello, mister. Just log in. One data is stored. You want to make another sign up? Yeah. I'm just making another sign up. People, I'm making another sign up. Okay. Sign up. Sign up, right? So how many data we have in data store? Two, right? And see, hello, both are coming, right?
Sir.
But it's not working. It's just taking last record. We need to check what problem is.
No, Nagendra, you did login when you sign up the other one.
Okay, it may be. That's my mistake. So let's do sign up, and I'm going to do for TechnoHunk, and password is TSP, and email ID we can keep same, and mobile is. So somebody is saying by mistake I click on the login button. You have to click on the sign up button. So two data is there, right? Can you see this? You can go and check the data, right? Click on the data. You see? Correct. I don't know you got this much or not. Please, please, please. The way I'm doing it, you can note down somewhere. If you can do in my style, you can do anything, man. REST API, microservices. I will tell you that is the cup of the tea. If you want, you can note down somewhere. What is it? REST API, Spring Boot, microservices, Spring Data GP is a cup of tea. You just need to learn this
Hey,
much.
Nagendra,
Tell me.
can you please upload video pretty early? Cause yesterday you uploaded video late. So like, can you just upload the video
Yeah, I
after
can
the
do that.
class? So
Today I'll do that. Today I'll do that. Normally,
yeah,
what
so
happened
that
is
we'll have
sometimes.
enough time to go through it.
Yeah.
All
I
right,
think this
thank you.
much is enough for today. In the next session, we'll do something
Yes,
new.
sir.
But today, what I want is you should do this much first. Thank you.